Here I am. They got pigeons over there. There's a pigeon food. There's some bread. They're all waiting over there. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 I can see so far. There's about 9 of them. Some, the bread right there. Now zoom out. About 9 up there. This, you know, this is gonna be a short video, so I'm just gonna look around. There's flies right here. What else? Sometimes you see hummingbirds or dragonflies. Sometimes you see what else? That's about it. Little bugs in there, ants, little bugs in there. Now look at the pictures one more time. Yeah, folks.